everyone. Today we're going to be fixing this Microsoft Excel issue. There's not enough memory to complete this action. Try using less data or closing other applications. I did not find any tutorials that were helpful about this on YouTube. There were several, but they did not address this specific solution, and this solution is the one that worked for me, so let's get right into it. So first thing you're going to want to do is you want to type in %app data %. It's going to bring up a hidden folder directory. You want to scroll down until you find Microsoft. Click on that folder. Then up at the top, alphabetically, you're going to find Excel. Click in there. And you're going to want to delete anything that's in this folder. Basically, they're just temp files, so it shouldn't really affect your usage of the program. So you just want to delete them all. There you go. And the next and final step is going to be go back to app data. I'm going to go to local. You're going to scroll towards the bottom, and you're going to want to find temp. There you go. And next you're going to want to find ASP WebView. This is the folder you want. You do the same thing. If you have any files in here, you just want to delete them all. Again, won't affect your usage of Excel. And obviously mine are already gone because I fixed my issue earlier. So yeah, anyways, you should be able to open a new Excel file. Shouldn't cause you any issues, and you just open it like that. So if this tutorial is helpful, please leave a like, please comment, please subscribe.